Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not joined my clan yet, kindly do it now. Subscribe my channel. I am Dr. Ahmed. I am working physician in UAE, and today we will discuss about medical residency program in UAE. All you have to do is stay connected. Regarding the medical residency program, I will give you information in an organized form and step by step, but I fear I cannot cover all these things in a single video. In this video, I'll give you an overall map and understanding what's going to happen in this all the scenario from start, next step. As there are many different bodies involved in it, sometimes there is confusion. After this video you will have no confusion regarding that. Then we will grab different sections and areas from it and we will discuss that in details later on. So let's start today from beginning. Now you have decided that you will do your residency in UAE. At first you have to appear in an exam, that is pre-entrance exam, and that exam is common for all licensing bodies. There are three different licensing bodies. I will discuss them later on. At first, let me clear you about the examination. There will be an MCQ based examination that is conducted by a university, that is in Al Ain. You have to come here and appear in person in that exam. Visa will be on you, accommodation will be on you, it will not be provided by the university. You have to appear in that exam, you have to clear that exam. After clearing that exam, there are three different licensing bodies. You have to decide that in which state you want to do your residency. If you want to do your residency in Dubai, then you have to go to DHA. Okay, DHA is a licensing authority that allows you to practice in Dubai. If you want to do your residency program, then again you have to go there. Okay, for appearing in exam, there are certain criterias that I will discuss later on in another video with all other aspects of examination. And then there is separate criterias for DHA licensing authority to apply. After clearing your exam, you will apply to your residency program through a licensing authority, and for Dubai it will be DHA. If you want to do your residency in Abu Dhabi, then your licensing body is DOH or HAD. HAD, as you know, is a previous name of same organization. Now it's called DOH, Department of Health. Previously it was Health Authority Abu Dhabi, HAD. Okay, HAD and DOH is same thing. And third licensing body is MOH, Ministry of Health. Okay, this cover all other states. If you want to know more details about all these licensing authorities and their areas, in my YouTube channel, go to first video and you will get all the details about these. These licensing authorities have different criterias to apply. Okay, we will discuss them later on in other videos, because for single video it will be huge information package and it will make a chaos and you will not understand anything. In this video I am giving you an overall map. Okay, first you have to clear examination, then you will go through licensing authority, licensing body, same thing. Then they will allot you to the different hospitals. Okay, if you are interested in internal medicine, they will tell you that internal medicine residency is available in these 2-3 hospitals if you are selected. Okay, then the hospitals can have their own criteria. Some hospitals like Cleveland in Abu Dhabi, they have criteria of a certain GPA, and then about IELTS and TOEFL, and regarding other qualification, we can discuss that later on. Okay, so overall, what you have to do: prepare for exam, appear in an exam that will be conducted by a university that is located in a lane. You have to go personally there to appear in exam. There are no prometric centers for this. Then after that you will go online through a process that will be by licensing authority. For that you have to decide which licensing authority you are applying for. If you want to do in Dubai, go for DHA, for Abu Dhabi, HAD or DOH, and for all other states you have to go to MOH. After that they will select you for a certain hospital, and that certain hospital can have their own criteria. Okay, I will give you the eligibility criteria and details in other videos, but before that you must know that you must have a valid passport at the start. Okay, without valid passport your process will not be started, and you will be finished at the start. So you should have a valid passport, and make sure that your name is correctly entered on your passport, because that will be there on your first examination clearance certificate and all other certificates. Okay, at first few years ago they were asking for Emirates ID to appear in exam, but Emirates ID is issued to the residents of UAE. No, that's not the criteria. You don't need Emirates ID to appear in exam. Okay, but you have to arrange your own visa. And when I am making this video, nowadays there are COVID days, COVID pandemic days, so it's all your responsibility to come there on that date and arrange your accommodation. If flights from your country are cancelled for some reason, it's not their headache, it's your headache. Okay, so keep these all things in your mind, and definitely post your questions regarding all this in comment section, because this will be a series of videos on this residency program. And that's all for today. Best of luck.